If you trade or invest in crypto, ITR filing this year is super important for you. So most people think that they need to file ITR only if they make profit, but that's actually not true. It doesn't matter whether you made a profit or a loss. The fact is that even if you took one trade in last financial year, it is mandatory for you to file ITR. But wait, what happens if I don't do that? Well, there are chances that you might get an income tax notice. So friends, in this video, I will explain you step by step how a Delta Exchange user can file their ITR easily on ClearTax. Firstly, log into your ClearTax account, provide your PAN card details to prefill all your details. Prefill is a process by which ClearTax automatically fills in 95% of your details available with the income tax department. By the way, if you're a salaried employee, you can also upload Form 16 to fetch your entire salary details. If you're a salaried and switch jobs, you can upload multiple Form 16 as well. After uploading this Form 16, click on Continue and go to the income sources where you can see details like your salary already autofilled. If you want to add any other details manually, you can do that as well. Now, scroll down to the Income from Crypto VDA section and click on Add Details. Next, click on the Delta Exchange logo and upload your trade report. To download your report from Delta Exchange, firstly, log into Delta Exchange, click on the profile icon and click on Transaction Logs. Next, go to the Annual Account Summary. Here, select financial year at 2025-26, keep it from Q1 to Q4 and click on the Email Account Summary Report. You will then receive a transaction report on your email from Delta Exchange. Now, go back to ClearTax platform and upload this file. After uploading, ClearTax will show a detailed analysis of all your transactions and calculate your correct tax liability. Once you're done reviewing, just click on Continue. Now, it's time to claim all the deductions. So if you have declared your investments to your employer, then most of your data would be already prefilled here. You can review these details and add any other deduction details that may be missing. Now, click on Go to Next button where you can see a tax summary. Here you can see details about your income, deductions, investments and correct ITR form. In case you are missed claiming any deductions, our smart tax saving nudges will suggest how you can save more taxes. Plus, the best regime box helps you choose between old and new regimes for maximum tax savings. Now, once you're done reviewing all your details, you can click on the File Taxes button. Post e-filing, you can navigate further to e-verification and complete the verification process. So, that's how easy it is to file ITR on ClearTax. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.